Hello everyone, this is my review of the SodaStream Terra water soda maker. It comes with 3 water bottles that you stick up there, and it seals it when you're making the carbonated water. You press that button down on top, but you don't press it for too long. You give it about a second press, at least 3 presses for max carbonation. You don't want to overpressurize the bottle. That's the canister in the back that you slip in there. It actually comes with 2 canisters, one you use and one extra one. It has these drops as well, these flavored drops that you can use for the soda, but you don't have to use these. You can buy your own type of drops that you can put in there. And that's what the water bottle looks like. And I'll let you see what it looks like. Okay, here's the bottle. You fill up to a set line here. You don't fill up anymore because you need to leave room for it to pressurize. And you stick it in like this. It's supposed to lock in and hover, see? And you press the button like this and it pressurizes it, carbonating the water. And you can do it about 3 times before you overpressurize it, but you don't do it too long or you will overpressurize it. And you will have a big mess when you take it out. But it's pretty easy to use, and you could make your own type of soda drinks. You could get your own flavoring. You could even use tea. I've made soda out of Kool-Aid, so it's a pretty neat. I hope this review of the SodaStream helps.